POV cow latteart the steam swirls, a gentle dance above the rich brown surface. A canvas of espresso awaits the delicate touch. Slowly, the white liquid is poured, creating a contrast both visually and texturally. A pattern begins to emerge, transforming the simple drink into a momentary masterpiece. The aroma of coffee fills the air, a comforting warmth accompanying the artistic creation. It's a fleeting beauty, meant to be admired and then enjoyed. A small, simple pleasure to brighten the day. This ephemeral artwork is ready to be savored. Cowhead latte art, the steam rises, swirling into a delicate design. A creamy canvas awaits the artist's touch. With a gentle pour, the rich espresso begins to form a recognizable shape. Slowly, the image of a cow's head emerges from the foam. The details are carefully etched with a thin stirring tool. Tiny horns and gentle eyes bring the bovine portrait to life. A final flourish completes the charming design. This delightful creation is ready to be enjoyed. One can appreciate the skill and care taken in its creation. It's a small pleasure that brightens the day. The gentle steam rising from the cup adds to the comforting ambience. Such a treat can be a welcome pause in a busy schedule. It's a reminder to savor the small moments of beauty. Enjoy watching.